This is the mezzina. The mezzina. I've taken Lauren down. We're on deck 4 in the mezzina. Here's Club 02. So this is like the teens club. Then Circle C is like the well, 12 to 14. I guess 02 is like the young adult teens. Not a upper promenade. So up there's like more of the promenade. This is the art gallery right here. You can buy art. I love those. They look like little balloons. Isn't the breeze pretty, Lauren? Isn't it pretty? Pretty like you? We're gonna go down really quick and check on Cody, one of my group members. He's not feeling very well, unfortunately. Something's going on with his tooth. So we're gonna just check with him, make sure he's good, and then we'll get down and have our meetup with the gang.
1 minute late.
Oh no, don't even worry about it. I'm so sorry. I mean,
come on, so we gotta go back. We're gonna come back and see you guys. You know what?
Okay, you're gonna see me in just a minute, okay? Okay, high five. High five.
For luggage.
Fist bump.
Right.
Blow it up. Can you blow it up? Like this. Open your hand. Go. Go. There you go. You blow it up?
Stickers out?
Yes, take the stickers out. So this is, we're about to give some group members something fun, something, you know what, where is a sling bag? Is it easily accessible? Yes, hang on, I've got one easily accessible. All right, so we are off to the meetup. Meeting with the group members, hopefully, cross your fingers, everybody's gonna be there, hopefully. Hello. Everybody should be on board by now. It is 1:53. Oh, and you know what? I was just thinking of something. Scott Wilson was right behind us in the security line. So they did let him go ahead in. Because remember, his check-in was like 1:30. His check-in was like now.
Yeah.
And they let him on in. So I'm glad. That's good. Uh-oh, Lauren.
What? My grandma told me to hit the casino.
Oh, really?
Lauren's grandma told her she needed to pull a Peter and throw 20 bucks off the side of the ship. Peter does it every cruise, just takes $20. There it went, right over there. Here is Midship Promenade. So this is deck 5 right out here. We've got some outdoor seating. The barbecue is on one of these two sides. Not sure which one. Could be, it's that side? Left? Oh, out here? Oh yeah, there it is, because there's Pig and Anchor's logo. Right there, actually. Boom shakalaka. And then here's Bonsai Sushi. Here's going to be the ship's map. So if you ever want to know where in the ocean we are, yep, it's right there. And then Bonsai Sushi right here. And then all the way back here, there's Michael. And the my goodness, the Harbins, you live. You live. David did not get his drink package yet, I assume. Hey girls, I haven't seen y'all today. Y'all have...
We just got on.
Really?
About 30 minutes away.
Oh, girl, Scott had a 1:30. He was on at 10:30 with us. Heck yeah. No, I was just literally just saying that coming up here. I was like, you know what? I just realized that Scott was literally right behind us in check-in. His check-in time is 1:30. So it really is just a suggestion. First of all, let me say, if I haven't already said it to every single one of you, a big fat welcome. Welcome aboard the Carnival Breeze. Welcome aboard Cruise with Josh 2.0. I'm so excited to have each and every one of you, some for the first time and some of you back to join us again on this amazing 7-day vacation.
That's called old farts.
Yeah, I have got so much fun planned for you guys, so many activities, so many do not miss opportunities and events, and all that I ask is that you come with a fun attitude and ready to let loose and enjoy your company with these new friends that you've had, because these are not strangers sitting next to you, these are now your new friends, and over the next 7 days you're going to be reaffirmed that over and over again. For example, somebody picked us up from the train station yesterday, and you know, if you looked at my itinerary, you know that we have a Hawaiian theme night, and so Thomas, I just got you the most beautiful scarf to wear on the Hawaiian theme night. Just for you, buddy. We're going to put it on you. Look, isn't it just dashing, guys? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it just dashing? Okie dokie, so there you guys saw there was just a little bit of our meet up with the group members. Like I said, I kind of laid out my expectations for the week and you know what I'm going to be delivering for them, which is a huge dose of carnival-sized fun. So with that being said, right now I'm heading down to the stateroom. I've got to give, let's see, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2, I'm this way. I've got to give the group's coordinator a call once more, Catherine. She's supposed to be confirming about dinner for us tonight with the group. She's got to speak with the maitre d' and everything, so I'm going to give her a call really quick before we have boat drill. I'm assuming boat drill is going to be coming up. I've got, it's 2:42 right now, so I'm assuming it's going to be in the next probably half an hour or so. So I've got to give her a call. We'll have boat drill, and then it's going to be time for us to set sail here on board the beautiful Carnival Breeze. I'm filming it. I'm filming it. What'd you say, Lauren? What's in the room, Lauren? What's in the room? What is it? It says, to the stateroom, 6 chocolate covered strawberries. This gift is compliments of Blake Stroobs. So Blake, thank you so much for this. Lauren, open them up, show everybody what you got. Lauren is so excited. Ooh, look at those. Are you happy? Go ahead, baby, eat up, because she's got that. And then in the other room in here, we're gonna be having gifts going all over the place. In the other room in here, this says, to be delivered to Mr. Peter Guagliano, Mr. Josh Hokum, Bon Voyage 6-inch cake. This gift is compliments of Susan Scarborough. So Susan, a big thank you for that as well. We've got this lovely cake here. So beyond that, Carnival has also sent me the PR a letter, so I will definitely take a look at that. And a bunch of other fun stuff that we've got to get into, like I said, before we've got our boat drill coming up in about 15 minutes time. So guys, here's a little pro tip for you. If you do not bring Clorox wipes with you, highly suggest that you bring them. You can get the Clorox to-goes, like we got. They're like $2-3, and basically the reason, because the stateroom often gets a little dusty, gets a little dirty, and you just want to be able, oh, like look at this, look at this. That is yucky. Oh. That's yucky, yeah. So you definitely just want to, you know, it's much like a hotel. People are always coming, always going. Doors are always getting open and closed. So dust, dirt, it can tend to collect. So you've just got to make sure, you know, you don't want to get sick on a cruise or even after the cruise. So this is just going to help limit that, I think. So definitely get you some Clorox wipes before your next cruise. Get the travel size. There it is! Listen to her! Ah, she sounds so good. Ladies and gentlemen,
that was our general emergency alarm signal.
At this time,
and that's the signal to state your safety briefing has now started.
Please proceed to your assigned.
Please proceed directly to your assigned muster station, and be sure to have your sail and sign card.
It's muster drill time! Lauren, we're going down! Mayday, mayday! We watched Titanic just before we got on board a couple days ago. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. I forgot this, but on the horizon we had to do this too. We have to actually go up for our safety briefing.
We got it before.
Normally we have to go down.
Yeah, that's
true. It's so weird. Look at this. Oh me, oh my.
I don't think I've ever eaten in the midship dining room.
You definitely have. Oh, did you have seated?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then you would have eaten the blush. Hello.
Hi, straight through. Taxi.
Okay. Oh, there we go, guys. So there was our sail away party. Now, unfortunately, we are not yet sailing away. We haven't left yet. They told us right before the sail away party, but delayed an hour until 5 o'clock, which is in 10 minutes apparently. So I guess we'll be watching sail away from our cove balcony.
Yeah.
It's something that I don't think I've ever watched sail away from my balcony.
Yeah, that's true. And especially being this close to the water.
Yeah, but in any event, what an awesome, awesome, awesome sail away party that was. Definitely an amazing start to this Caribbean vacation. Like I said, right now we're going to be getting changed up into our evening clothes, something a little bit less sweaty, because I am drenched. This is one more time our cruise squad tee. We'll have it over on joshholcomb.com for a limited time, so if you'd like to get one as just like a souvenir or something, you really dig the design, I'll leave it up there for a limited time, so you can head over and get yours now, joshholcomb.com. Alright, goodbye Port Canaveral. We will see you in a week. And we are not wishing that on us anytime soon. No. Hey everybody. Are we feeling any better?
Yes.
Good, good.
Baby wants to tell you something.
What, oh,
Camera on?
yeah, what's up, baby?
I like big boats, but I don't like land.
Where did you hear that?
Or say it again.
She said boats.
Oh,
Oh,
not what I registered.
yeah, I thought she said something else.
Not what I registered.
I like big.
Dinner. It's a few minutes before 5:45, and I've got a bunch of the gang here with me. There they are. We're all just listening to some live music, waiting for everybody else to get down here, and then we're going to be heading in to the dining room and having our first dinner here on board the beautiful Carnival Breeze tonight. Guys, I've said it once in this video, I'll say it again. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead, take 2 seconds, hit that subscribe button for me. It's going to let you know each and every time something new, something fresh is uploaded right here on this YouTube channel. Next time, salad, yummy, yummy, bowls of mac and cheese. Kissy, kissy! Fly right off the ship.
I love these.
Get everybody to bingo. This amazing boarding day that we've had tonight.